Generate all length n permutations of true/false. This problem came up while trying to write code for a truth table generating function. How can I generate a list of lists of all length n permutations of true and false? In other words, given a list of elements, true, false, how can I generate all permutations of all possible length n combinations of those elements? For example, n equals 2 length 2 permutations are n equals 3 the length 3 permutations are I know there's 2 to the power of n lists in this list. I also have considered using it a tools.product, but that only seems to give permutations of a specific combination. In this case, I think I want to generate permutations of all combinations of a length n list of true/false.
Use it a tools.product. And if you want to change the tuples inside the list to sublists, try a list comprehension.
It's relatively easy if you consider the values to be bits instead. Like for the n equals 3 case, see it as a value containing 3 bits. Loop, using integers, from 0 to 2n, 1, inclusive, and print all bits in each value, with 0 being false and 1 being true. Then you will have all permutations. Of course, it's not a very Pythonic solution, but it's generic.
Try it at tools.product with the repeat argument. As you can see above, it returns an iterable, so wrap it in list. It also returns a list of tuples instead of a list of lists, but that should be fine for most use cases and can be solved very easily with a list comprehension if lists are really needed.
And if you want list of lists, not list of tuples, start with U9 answer. And continue. LLL will be a list of lists, instead of tuples. Much better way, following comments. Thanks to Kevin.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe.